3 reasons why Brett will pump, why I'm still holding Brett. Let's talk about why Brett is built to survive and ready to pump. 1. Nonstop activity and development. The Brett Twitter page is constantly active. We're talking daily posts, videos, memes, community updates, partnerships, you name it. Compare that to other meme coins like Pepe, which recently went 2 whole weeks without a single tweet during a bull run. In a market that moves fast, Brett is staying loud and visible, and that matters. SOT2. Coinbase is listing base projects. Coinbase has been actively listing base chain projects. Definitive, Edge, Reserve Rights, Dog, Me, Keyboard Cat, all recently added, all based on Base. So is Coinbase laying the groundwork to list the biggest base project of all? Brett? It's speculation, but the pattern is clear. Brett could be next. Crash's Clay is still supporting it. One of the most influential voices in the space, Crash's Clay, is still tweeting about Brett. He's posted about the project multiple times just this week. Sure, he covers other coins too, but when he's still backing Brett, that's a signal. When the market flips bullish again, his support could help push this project to the next level. Bottom line, I'm still holding my entire Brett bag, and I'm in it for the long run. If you're bullish on Brett too, drop a comment, hit like, and subscribe for more updates. Catch you in the next one.